What we're going to be installing today is this custom wiring harness for trailers, as you see, for the 97 through 01 Cherokee. It is a CURT model 55354. Now, this is made, it's a plug and play. So what you do is, so somewhere behind this tire assembly, I mean, I've had all this apart, of course, if you saw my other videos, you've got to take your tire cover off, you've got to take your tire off, take the tire off, and you've got to take this plastic piece out to get to the wiring harness that's behind this tail light. And this thing supposedly plugs in to the factory connectors, and you just keep it wired up behind this little piece right here until you're ready to use it. And then when you're ready to use it, you just run it out through your hatch and plug your trailer in. Looks like a fairly simple installation. You get your instructions. That's got some pictures and some zip ties, a little double-sided tape, protector for this, your wiring harness adapter. This actually plugs in line, so you will unplug two connectors within the Jeep and plug this in line, and there's your tip plug. Pretty thick wires, feels like it's made pretty good. First thing you want to do, if you've got a tire in there, you know, unscrew this, take that off. Okay, we got the tire out of the way. Go ahead and take this little tire holder thing off. Now, in order to get to those wires, we have to take off the two 10mm bolts here, take off those, screw up in here, these screws here, and this piece should just pop off. There it goes. And that's the wiring harness we want to get to. All right, basically the directions just say find the two connections that are similar to the ones on the wiring harness, and that seems to be this one right here in the front. There are two connections in the back, but we're going to disconnect this one and see if that works. That was an easy disconnect. Just press down on this and it comes right out. So as you see, that's very similar. And this one here is very similar. So this one is going to go right into this right here. Nope. This goes into this one. Like that. And this one goes into here. And that's it. And then I've got to ground it, so I'm going to ground it right there. That's it. Of course, you always want to test your work. Got it plugged in, flashers are on, and test light is a flashing, so works good. Now the directions gives you this little piece of double stick tape. It says to mount this box somewhere, so either I'm going to put it back up in there somewhere, or I might put it right here. I don't want this thing to rattle, so I might stick it right there. All right, that's the final installed box there. I use a supplied double-sided tape, shove the connectors back up in there, put one little zip tie there because it'll ball up right here, and then you just put it out like this when you want to use it. Comes with this little cap, so make sure you put that on. You don't want anything getting in there and shorting out your tail lights. And then once you have it all back together, it just stores right under here until you need it. All right, it's all tucked away, ready for use. So pretty easy job for about $30. You don't want to drive at night without trailer lights with your XJ because you'll end up in the slammer. So everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll end this video at night because that just shows that you need those trailer lights. Have a great weekend.